Next question. Mary has exactly 10 white cubes, 9 light gray cubes, and 8 dark cubes, all of the same size. She glues all these cubes together to build a big cube. One of the cubes below is the one that she builds. Which one is it? So let's look at like the bigger, like if you look at a cube, whatever you think has the largest number of cubes, whatever color has the largest cubes, we'll count that, okay? In the first cube, I think like dark gray and light gray kind of have the same, but light gray looks more to me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 light gray cubes, but she can only have 9, so this is incorrect. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 white cubes, that works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 light gray cubes. And there might be a possibility that they'll have 8 dark gray cubes. But till now, all the conditions are met. Let's look at the next cube. C has more white cubes that are visible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 white cubes. That's not correct. We only have 10. Seems like there is more dark gray here, so let's count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dark gray cubes, but we only have 8, so can't work, right? C and D are wrong. Looks like more light gray cubes in option E. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 light gray, but we can only have 9, so this option is also wrong. Our only correct option is B. Also, if you don't know, the reason why I'm counting, like for example over here, I counted this as 1 cube is because that is a cube, right? I don't, like when we look at the question we did over here, a cube has 6 sides, right? So over here in this picture, these are the 3 sides of the cubes that I can see, but there are hidden sides of the cube that I'm unable to see. Okay. Okay.